Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find the cheapest flights using Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Momondo account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Momondo? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type momondo.com. This is going to take you to the official website for Momondo. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to find the cheapest flights using Momondo. So from here, I'm just going to have to delete that and just add my from location. Set to Abuja, and I just want to change. Okay, and I'm using this date. All right, so you can also set it, do you want a round trip or let's say one way, and then add number of people that will be following you, or if just you just set to one, and make this okay if this economy or premium economy, first class, multiple. If you have bags that you want to add, go ahead and add that. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on the search button. So it takes you to this page where you're going to find a list of flights available that you can definitely explore. So if I want to look for the cheapest, right? I want to find the cheapest. So check this top corner of the screen where you have this cheapest, best, quickest. So set it to cheapest. That you have to click on the cheapest tab and your search is going to reload. And now you have a wide array of really cheap options. There's Turkish Airlines, Egypt Air. So these are the options for cheapest flights. Now go ahead and select any of these flights, click on view deal, and it's going to take you to the Turkish Airlines site where you can then follow through the prompt to check out and place your booking. It's that simple. So just come over to this window and click on cheapest and find really incredibly cheap flights that you can select. So just go ahead and make a selection, and that's just going to be it. Now I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.